Now students, hello students, welcome to lecture number 3, our computer lectures. Welcome to Vidyadish Vidya Sankul. Okay, now today's lecture is totally practical lecture. Today I will explain you how to define form, HTML syntax, and some basic concept of how to run and how to execute your HTML code. First, most important part, HTML is not a programming language. Is the web scripting language. Simple. If you want to design any website, then you know very well must HTML coding. HTML always work with tags. But this is the first question. So we know about that how works and how to execute and how to not run, how we can. Okay, but I think you all are very well understood easily, just because in standard 11th you all are very well done scripting language, so it's the very easy than scripting language. Okay, now start first Notepad++. I think you all are downloaded in Notepad++. Prepare with Notepad++, just because I want to send on your Google Classroom, in your Google Classroom. So please download it. This link also available in your Google Classroom. Download it and easily you can work with. I think 6 to 8 MB memory storage required using Notepad++. Okay, I type Notepad++. Yes, you can also use the simple Notepad and Notepad++, but Notepad++ is the some advanced features like colorful coding, and we can easily understand what's the syntax, what's the file, etc. Okay, now first file we create. Before starting file creating, I am create one folder on my desktop. This folder name is HTML chapter 1 demo. Okay, whatever you name want to create on your desktop, but I will create this. Okay, now Notepad++. This is the very simple environment and the most powerful Notepad++ to creating any scripting language or HTML web pages development. Also we can use this. Also we can use using create Java programming in the next level. Okay, but today we has used for HTML view and I think zoom. Sorry, I not required zoom. Okay, now first most important part, HTML syntax. If you don't know, then please remember that the most important part for web page designing, most powerful part is HTML syntax. First, HTML. Yes, HTML is not case sensitive language. Okay, so if you want to type capital, then it's okay. Small, then it's okay. Not case sensitive. It means capital to capital, small or small. Whatever you can type is the execute. Okay, but some programming language is case sensitive. Okay, discuss after or next lectures. Okay, HTML. Now in HTML, second tag. What is tag? Do you know tag less than or greater than sign contains, and this is the content name, tag name HTML. Okay, now second tag head. In second tag I will define title. I will explain you. First I write here from tag demo. Okay, now title is over. Okay, now head is over. Now body. Okay, the most important part is body. Now HTML. This is our syntax. Okay, if you start HTML, okay, now how this work? First I want to save this file. Save. Where is save this file? Okay, now on desktop, and I want to create chapter number on demo file. Double click. Now save. HTML always save file dot HTML. If you don't have any extension in this file, so it is a simple notepad file or text file. But if you want to create HTML file, then must you want to give HTML, you should give dot HTML. Okay, form dot HTML. Okay, or HTML, both are same work. Dot HTML dot HTML, accept it. Okay, dot HTML, save. Okay, if I save this, you know very well this code is highlighting blue. Okay, minimize that. Don't close, very important part. If you want to close, then repeated many immediately you can repeat that. Close, open. So don't want to close, only minimize. Now double click. This is the web page file. Do you know here Chrome HTML document? Then double click. It is by default in my PC by default set the Google Chrome browser, so it is the display icon is Google Chrome browser. If you want to any one browser in your PC, so you can display this logo by default. If you I have used by default Opera, then here display Opera browser. Okay, but in my PC I have using default Google browser, so here default Google browser web page. Okay, double click on this file. So nothing. Why? Just because today is the first lecture and I will show you just how to create file, HTML file. So if you want to create HTML file, this is the most important part. HTML head. What is the work of head? Okay, it means head in head I will take title tag. Then title tag what's work? Then I will open this file. Okay, form tag demo. You can see here form tag demo. This is a title. This title is where to come. This title is here. This title in head section form. If I want to type here Vidyadish Vidya Sankul. Okay, and now save. Yes, every time if you want to a little change in your file, then you must have to save. Okay, after save, then I will open this file, refresh here. Name will be changed Vidyadish Vidya Sankul. This is a title, and this title can be displayed on the head of the tab or on your browser. Okay, now we will start how to define all things like forms. In your last lecture we can discuss the input fields and some containers, all things defined in body part, and all input fields and or containers also defined in form tags. What is the body part? Body part is the main part of the web pages. I can type Vidyadish Vidya Sankul. Okay, now save, and here tab is open, refresh, then it can display Vidyadish Vidya Sankul. If I anything can type in this file and save, but must remember this point, you can type in body section. not in another section. Yes, it will be display just because we start the body tag. It's also display. Let's start, check it, refresh. Okay, this is also display, this also display. Now I think you many rise up questions, many questions rise up in your mind. Sir, how to formatting, how to font size change, font style change, color change, how to this any line sentence breakdown. This is the some basic HTML text, and you can watch this my old videos in my YouTube channels. Okay, see, simple concept. HTML syntax: first HTML head, title, head complete. This is the complete head. Why I become to force used Notepad++, just because he is not very well. I think I want to click here, double click, then is no indicate where's the starts this code tag and where's the end. If I click here, then I think no view this purple line, purple background. Okay, now first of all you must remember this HTML syntax: head, HTML head, title, head, body, body, complete, HTML. Okay, now some basic question. If I remove this end of body and end of HTML, then my output is generated or not? If generated answer is yes, then why? And no, then why? Please give me this answer the question in our classroom. Okay, this is the first simple basic syntax of HTML. After this lecture, I want to also upload the how to define form. Okay, today I will upload two lectures. First is the HTML syntax and second is the how to define form. Now in next lecture I will continue with this syntax, how to define form. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you. Keep watching and keep learning. Have a nice day.